The Lian A3 has one major flaw, its front panel. It doesn't allow for airflow and looks meh. Today we're gonna fix that with an upgrade for not only performance, but also style. Yes, Lian does offer their own wooden front panel, and like in my case, it's just not available to purchase anywhere at all. Since I really like this design though, I'm gonna try to match the general look as much as possible. But of course, it's not just for looks. It's also for performance, as they put it.
The wooden edition open space design of the front panel allows for optimal airflow, ensuring fresh air intake from the PSU when the PSU is mounted at the front with the fan facing outward, enhancing cooling efficiency.
Since my version is going to be 3D printed, we're going to have tons of room experimenting with different colors, materials, and textures. For the design, I have a couple of requirements. It should be easy to print, meaning no complicated overhangs and features. It should be easy to assemble, since we're not going to be able to print it all in one piece. It also has to perfectly fit the cutout, matching the original's mounting points. I'll be honest, I'm pretty much done with the design. Only took a couple of prototypes. Really quick, if you don't have a 3D printer, but you still want to have one of these panels, you can now get them on my website. I will include the M2 screws and everything else. Shipping is worldwide. Thanks, back to the video. So let's print and assemble it. First, download my files. For Bambu Lab users, there's a custom print profile on MakerWorld. Secondly, add supports to the connector pieces on frame 2. Again, don't worry about this if you're using MakerWorld's print profile. Print your frame pieces to match your case color. So for me, I'm going with black. You'll need a total of 13 of these bars or grill pieces, whatever you'd like to call them. After removing the supports, simply use glue or M2 3mm flatheads to carefully connect the two frame pieces. But make sure not to strip the screws. Next, simply insert the bars with some more plastic glue. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? This version is printed with Bambu Lab's Diamond Effect build plate. And this one in two different colors matching the internals of my computer. And that's really the best part. You can choose your own material, color, and texture. If you want a fresh look, just swap out the panels. And as always, thank you for supporting me. Have a fantastic day.